Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing. I'm going to do my makeup. Not sure what kind of look. No, I have zero plans. Because if I plan something, it normally goes wrong. So I tend to just like go with the flow, you know? So I'm gonna do my makeup. So if you want to see how this transforms, then keep on watching. Normally I start every single video by telling you guys how bad my skin is, but at the moment it's looking, knock off, it's looking pretty good. I've been doing the veganary and like it looks really good. I mean I still have my usual acne scars, but this is mostly like flat now. It's no actual bumps anymore, it's just acne scars. It's just scars. But then if you look at this side of my face, it looks really good. I feel like my texture is really changing. It looks very glowy, very fresh. So far I've been seeing a really big difference. I have been enjoying the meals, I have been enjoying the cooking. So far I really liked it. So yeah, I hope that my skin will keep on getting better, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna start straight away. So first thing I'm doing is I'm prepping my skin and I'm using the PIXI Rose Ceramide Cream, which is something I received a few weeks ago and I really like this cream. It smells really good and oh, I lost my nail, so this is what you have to deal with. It smells really good and yeah, I just really like this cream. It really preps my skin nicely before I apply my makeup. It makes my makeup looks really nice. So I really like this skin. I really like this cream. I have never really used a lot of PIXI products. I use some of their makeup products and I use their like famous toner. I wasn't a fan of the toner. It gave me little red bumps all over my face. But the cream, really love it. Really like it. So then for eye cream, I'm gonna go in with the new Glam Glow Bright Eyes. It's a really nice eye cream. It really brightens up your under eye area. Glam Glow is just a really nice brand in general. I really like their products. So I'm just popping a little bit under my eyes. So I'm just dabbing that under my under eye area and waiting for the cream to sink in into my skin before I continue to foundation. So then for my base, I am gonna go in with the Nars Illuminating Booster and then I'm gonna go over with the foundation. So this one is basically just a liquid highlighter. I like to use this one before applying my foundation, just a little bit, but I'm just applying it like on any areas where I want to have a nice subtle glow, and then I'm gonna go over with the foundation. Then for my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. I have done a full review video about this foundation, so if you want to see a bit more about that, make sure to check it out. But I absolutely love this foundation. It's really good. It looks really nice. It feels really nice. It's pretty full coverage, so I am going to go in with a tiny bit because I want to keep my face pretty, you know, natural today. Going in with this cute little brush from Spicy Cocoa, which is actually a travel brush brand. They do really cute little travel brushes, really good quality. But this is their foundation brush and I really like the hairs on it and it makes my foundation look really nice. So I really love using this one on a daily basis. So I'm grabbing a little bit of the foundation and I am just dabbing that into the skin. So my foundation is done. Normally I will go in with concealer, but I feel that my under eye area looks pretty good at the moment, so I don't want to add any more products if I don't have to. If you have yourself a bit of dark under area, you can always add some concealer. I feel that this is definitely doing enough for me, so I'm gonna keep it like this. I am gonna add some contour. So for my contour, I'm gonna go in with a Huda Beauty Tantour, which is a cream contour, which is super nice. It's really a really nice undertone. It's really blendable. So what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing a bit on the brush, apply it in my contour areas, and then again dabbing that into the foundation. And all I'm doing is just dabbing that into the foundation, and it gives you a really nice subtle contour. So you can see at first it looks really dark, but then when you blend it in, it just blends in really subtle. I'm using the color light, which is the lightest color. So if you are lighter than me, it will still work, but make sure just to use a tiny amount. And I'm still using that same foundation brush because it's such a nice brush which you can use for so many things. We are nearly done with the base. I'm now gonna go in with some blusher. For my blush, I'm using this new product from ColourPop, which is called Sweetest Thing. These are two... Oh, this is for my lips. I thought it was for my cheeks, actually. So, I guess I can still use it as a blush. Yeah, I'm still gonna use it as a blush anyway. These are two lip crayons. They look really cute. I am gonna go in with this one. This one is called Always Right, which fits me perfectly. And I'm going to add a little bit on the cheeks. Just grabbing a little bit of both, and I'm just adding that to the cheeks. And even though it is a lip product, I think it works really nice on the cheek. Then to set any areas that might get a little bit oily, I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm going to set some places. So I'm just popping a little bit in the lid there. Grabbing my BH Cosmetic brush, giving that a little tap so most of the product is off, and I'm just using any leftover powders on the brush to lightly set my face. I don't want to use a lot of powders today. I want to keep it as natural and skin-like as possible. Next up, I'm going to go in with some highlighter, and I'm using the ColourPop Blush Crush, which is a massive highlighter. It's so big. Look how big it is. It's really big. It looks really beautiful. I haven't used it yet. Look how big this highlighter is. Oh wow. This is so beautiful. It almost has like a creamy texture. It's not fully a powder highlighter, so it makes it look really nice. Now that my base is done, I'm going to do my brows quickly off camera, and I'll be right back. So for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful palette from ColourPop. It's called Blush Crush. It has some really nice pinks and nudes and really nice palettes. So first color I'm gonna go in with is color Cheek to Cheek, and I'm just blending this out all over in the crease. I still have some leftover lash glue in my lashes. I should take that out. Then I'm gonna go in with the color How Rouge. Going in with the color Pop a Bottle and applying that all over the lids. And what I'm doing next is getting a little bit of blush wine, and I'm going to darken up the eye with that one. If you hear noises in the background, it is Lilo trying to eat my bra. She is obsessed with bras and socks. So now I'm grabbing my brow brush and I'm grabbing that same dark color and I'm just gonna create a little wing with that. Ooh. And then I'm grabbing this tiny little spectrum brush and I'm just giving that little brush out. There you go. Now I'm going to keep my lower lashes pretty clean actually. All I'm doing is grabbing a little bit of the one. Then for lashes, I'm gonna go in with some Tati lashes. These are in the style TL10. I'm going to apply these and then I'll be back with my eye look finished. So this is the eye look done. I'm now finishing up with my lips and then we are ready. For my lips, I'm also keeping it really simple and natural. So all I'm doing is grabbing my lip liner from Tilbury. This is in the one Pillow Talk, and I'm just slightly lining them and filling them in. And then once I fill them in, I'm gonna go in with this tint that I actually use for my cheeks, and I'm also gonna use that on my lips. Which smells so good. It feels really good. So that is the look done. My eyes are done. My lashes look really nice. A little trip which I actually learned from Nikki's Secret. I'll add her Instagram here. What she does actually, which literally saves my eyelash game life, because I always struggle with getting them on properly. She grabs the glue and she just pops it on her lash line and then she puts the lashes on, which I did today for the first time and it was so easy and they're on perfectly. So definitely give that a go. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you will see loads of more videos. And for now, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see me daily, because I know I'm not the most consistent YouTuber, but if you want to see a bit more of me, make sure to follow me on Instagram, which is Makeup by Sanchez, where I post daily makeup videos, makeup pictures, and lots more. So bye, I love you, doei.